Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we have a question that borders on indices. It says we should find V from this. Okay, so the first thing, we have a left-hand side and the right-hand side. Let us simplify the right-hand side. We have V to the power of X is equals to, this is the fourth root of V to the power of 5. It's the same thing as writing V to the power of 5 raised to the power of 1 over 4. The fourth root is the same thing as raised to the power of 1 over 4. Okay, times V to the power of negative 1 over 4 over cube root of V is the same thing as writing V to the power of 1 over 3. So this is V to the power of 1 over 3. Don't forget our square here, all square. So this becomes V to the power of 5 times this. Actually, this is V to the power of 1 over 4 raised to the power of 5. But it's the same thing from our power law. So this V to the power of X is equals to V to the power of 5 over X, over 4 rather, times V to the power of negative 1 over 4 over V to the power of 1 over 3 times 2. That will be V to the power of 2 over 3. From here, from our index law, laws of indices from the multiplication law, once we have the same base, add the power V and V. So we have the power, so this becomes V to the power of X is equals to V to the power of 5 over 4 plus the power here is negative 1 over 4. Negative 1 over 4 over V to the power of 2 over 3. So we have V to the power of X is equals to, this becomes V to the power of, this is 5 plus negative 1. This negative will cancel out this positive. So it will be 5 minus 1, that's 4. 4 over 4 will give us 1 over, this over, we can write it as divided by V to the power of 2 over 3. Now, from your division law, since they have the same base, we can subtract the powers. So this is V to the power of X is equals to V 1 minus 2 over 3. So this becomes V to the power of X is equals to V to the power of, 1 can be written as equivalent fraction of 3 over 3. 3 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Or if you like, you take the LCM. You still get the same thing. So this becomes V to the power of 3 minus 2. That's 1. 1 over 3 is equals to V to the power of X. Now equating the base, this 2 will cancel out. So our X is equals to, sorry, we have to find X, not V. Our X is equals to 1 over 3. So the value of X here is 1 over 3. I hope you follow through the working, the simple question that borders on indices. If you enjoyed the solving of today, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. If you are here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. Till meet again in the next Mickey class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.